Golly. Wasn't a drop of fog out by us.
This makes this whole basement look so much brighter.
See why I do the inside first?
Yeah.
See this cavity?
Yeah.
When you mortar from the outside, it just falls through.
Well, that makes sense. Let's go exploring in this abandoned Detroit house.
Hey, baby,
Yes?
can you go get me a bunch of the cardboard?
Yeah.
From upstairs door's locked, so I need the keys to get in the truck. I just got to put some stuff on the top there.
I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane, please hurt me. Mary Jane, please hate me. Mary Jane, please love me. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm so in love with you, honestly, and no darkness can stop on the way. 내 눈 속에 날 보면, girl, you make all my heart melt away. Baby, be my Mary Jane. My Mary Jane.
Definitely looks different up here than downstairs. Upstairs, and there's another room. This is the attic. Okay, it's a little creepy. Very creepy. Just a random ball right there. It's not scary at all. Do you see that ball? Alright, I'm officially scared. Time to go back downstairs.
Is that full of water? No. Nothing like duct tape and plastic up here. Oh, nice vinyl window.
It's a nice window. They want to take it out?
How did they put these in the fucking window? Can you go get my screw gun?
Yeah. And now our job is done, and we're enjoying
Our 3 dinners.
our 3 dinners.